Hey guys, so today I was thinking that what to make, and then an idea came into my mind. Let's make a portrait and talk about it. And this is the picture I selected.
Good job!
The first thing I did was making the structure of the entire face and the body, like neck and shoulders. After that, I started marking where the eyes are and mouth and nose will be. Eyes are a very important part of a portrait because eyes are the only thing which shows emotion. That's why most of the animated characters have big eyes. After that, I made my sketch as detailed as I can, making details like eyes and lips. You guys can see right here, I made a mistake. It was a short face, but I actually made it a bit long. Now I'm correcting it, and that's how you will also learn, by making mistakes. As someone said, failure is the mother of success. Now I have made most of the details. I will start with shading. Here you can see my hands are very light, and shading is not important in a portrait, but it can give a 3D effect to the sketch, which is very amazing. You can see how it turned out, isn't it? After shading, I started making hair, and her hair bun is a bit messy, so I'll just make a rough sketch of it and then add details after that. After making a rough sketch of the hair, I added a bit more details on the neck of the person and hide my mistake which I made earlier. And now at the end, I am adding details. If you are making hair in sketch, try to make in a bunch, not single strand at a time, which will save time and it looks nice too. And we are done, and that's it, how I made this portrait. I hope you guys like the video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you.